Loophole to Profits Review, Introduction. During the pandemic, entrepreneurs, online marketers and business owners having a lot of problems to withstand the negative impacts of COVID-19. In order to promote their products, the best option is to advertising/posting about them regularly on many platforms such as websites, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. With all those methods done doesn't mean that your products will be recommended on the trending list or pop up at the top of the searching bar. At the same time, the internet is a harsh and competitive environment for the new marketers. Your competitors have had head starts with their experience collected. What is more, the amount of work and effort you have to put is tremendous in order to get your ads, your websites recommended on those platforms. So if you are struggling as an affiliate, not making enough for today, not having enough for the future, then I have a product fit just for you. It's called Loophole to Profits, and it will create an e-commerce store for you and fully populated with products. Pros and cons. This is the fast way to get up and running an online business. It's never been shared with the public before. There's no launch jacking, no boring content creation, no product creation, no hard work, no outsourcing. It's legally siphoning sales from a multi-billion-dollar company for your own benefit. Fast setup. While it is illegal to guarantee results, we can legally say with certainty, this has been proven to get fast results from real users just like you. We can legally say with certainty, this has been proven to get fast results from real users just like you. This creates you a real business. It is easy for anybody to get started. In as little as 10 minutes from now, keep this running 24/7 365 on autopilot. Cons. There is no significant cons until now. Features. No launch jacking, no e-commerce, no product creation, no hard work, no outsourcing. 10 minutes setup. Say hello to effortless. Forget creating all the right pages, forget finding the right offers, forget begging for traffic, forget guessing how to make money. How to use. Step 1. Purchase Loophole to Profits. Step 2. Log in to Loophole to Profits. Step 3. Create your first campaign and wait for the profits. Is it worth using? You see, the big problem with most Amazon store builders is that they do an alright job creating a store, but when it comes to traffic, you're on your own. With Loophole to Profits, they've included a push-button Facebook viral traffic feature that starts getting you traffic the second your brand new store goes live. This is incredibly powerful, because, without traffic, your store is dead in the water. With Loophole to Profits, you'll have all the free social traffic you need to start making money right away. And the traffic you get isn't just free. It's ultra-targeted, so people actually buy stuff and you make money.
How Loophole to Profits works. This loophole takes about 5 to 10 minutes to set up.
Once you've got it running, you can leave it in the background. Imagine setting up one campaign and leaving it running 24/7 365. What would you do with your time? So this is the end. If you want to buy the product, check the link below description box.